Yeah, so as far as that's concerned, pipelines, you can run a pipeline for anything, right? Like you can run a pipeline for your realtor partners who's sending you business. You can run a pipeline for recruiting. You can run a pipeline for a number of different things. It doesn't just have to be for loans. It doesn't have to be for leads, guys. My recommendation was if you need a visual on anything, or if you want to track, hey, which referral partner is sending me the most business, or hey, who's my top tier potential recruit, like build a pipeline for it and set your pipelines up so that way you can see that. Okay. Now, when I go in here, so I have what's called an opportunity, and this opportunity is a contact. So Mr. Jonathan Farrell right here, and you'll see I don't have a contact made for him yet. So all that I have to do is type it in and then click create contact. That'll automatically create a contact inside of the system. But Jonathan Farrell was referred to me by Christy Norton. Thank you for the referral, Christy. I'm sorry, that's not the owner. You're my source, right? Thank you, Christy. Whoop, whoop. And Mr. Jonathan is going to buy a $1.5 million home. So I'm going to put my opportunity value as 1.5 million, and I'm going to click create. Okay. Now, once I refresh this right here, here's my opportunity. And look, I got a $1.5 million lead. Oh, look at that. That was from Christy Norton. Thank you, Christy. So I can track as this person goes through the different stages. And let's just say he no-shows me. I'm going to throw him in my no-show bucket right here. I'm just going to go ahead and move him to, let's just say I completed his pre-approval, right? When I log now into my dashboard, because this person is reflecting, I now have one opportunity right here. Opportunity value is 1.5 million, right? I can scroll down my funnel real quick. And most importantly, we have the lead source report. Okay. So the lead source report is incredibly valuable if you continue to use the lead source report. Okay. And the reason for that is through this lead source report, I was able to determine that the top agent that I had was not actually my top agent. Okay. He sent me like 15 deals or 15 leads, but we only closed like one or two of them. Right. And I was putting so much time and energy into this one guy because, oh, this guy's calling me with another lead. None of them were qualified. He wasn't like, he's referring me a lot. It was more quantity over quality. And then I was able to find out that one of my agents who referred me 5 leads, we closed all 5 of them. So as a somebody who I should be spending more time on, I was able to then determine that underneath my lead source report because I can then track like, hey, this person has referred me 15 people, but all of them are sitting in the loss category, or they're not, they got credit issues or something else, right? So if you utilize your pipelines, you can actually then utilize these to then determine, is this somebody who's sending me good business? Am I buying leads from the appropriate vendor? If I buy leads from free rate update and I close a bunch of them on free rate update, but if I don't close a bunch on Mortgage Resource Center or Lead Point or whatever, like I can then make those executive decisions, right?